Go get more. Go get another one.
Do it again.
I think that's funny though. Let me try the other end.
Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes.
Here, Felicia. Okay, go take it.
You think you should get a picture?
Dale, borrachita. Okay, here you go, Felicia. Oops.
Oh, it's so weird. What the hell happened over there?
Okay, go get the hangers.
What's going on with your hair?
I know.
Go get the hangers.
Look at her, Mom. Do it again, Nana.
Okay, she's coming.
Do a fart. Like this.
She's like making
Go
fun
get
here.
some more.
Do it again, Nana.
Go get some more.
Nana's letting out some gas.
Through the mouth.
I look cute, don't I?
Holy
Yeah, man.
moly.
Oops.
You know where the straighteners at? It's in your cajon. When you put it.